Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by. My name is Ahmed from AI in 3 minutes. Today we'll check out how to know what folders are taking up space on your hard drive or what folders are taking up space on your PC. Alright, so let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna look up the application on Google. That app called TreeSize. Should be our first match here from Jam Software. Also, the app is available on the Microsoft Store, as you can see. Alright, I'm gonna download the exe from the official website. Come here and click free download. We're gonna use the free version of the app. Alright, here you can expand this. You can choose the exe file which installed on your PC, or you can choose the portable version of the app which is portable, so you can install it on a flash drive, or maybe it doesn't install also, like the portable version doesn't install itself. But I recommend the exe, which it have a full access, so maybe it's much more informational than the portable one. Alright, so I will go with the exe, click download. Come here, click continue with TreeSize free. Alright, your download should start. Alright, after the download finish, click open file. We'll start with the setup. Click OK. Accept agreements. Click next. Next. Here you can create a desktop shortcut. Click create a desktop shortcut for your user. Here you can leave this one checked, and here you choose if you want an icon in the start menu. Here I will uncheck here, right, and click next. Right, it's installed. We'll click launch, resize, finish. Should launch here. Right, so first of all, if you're gonna run the application for the first time, it's gonna ask restart as administrator. It's actually gonna ask restart as administrator if the program didn't take administrator privileges for some reason. It doesn't take, but my user is administrator, I don't know why. Right, so click restart as administrator and click don't show again. So click here. Application gonna start itself, right? And you are inside the application right now. The application is very fast and very light, in my opinion. It reads up the files very fast, so that's a good thing about this application. Alright, so as you can see, all the files are sorted from the biggest folders to the smallest folders and files. Right, so let's come here, for example, that 211 megabytes will be the last biggest file on my PC. You can come here on that arrow and click expand. It will gonna expand all the files and folders inside it. You can view what's inside the folder. Yeah, as you can see, it's the software of AMD. So you're gonna be aware what files and folders on your PC. Right, as you can see. Right, program data is taking up space, taking up 300 3000 megabytes, which is 3 gigabytes. I can expand and have a look on each file and each folder inside it. You can also know the directory. Come here. Want to show the path, right? Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, just move your cursor beside the name of the file or the folder, and you're gonna see the name and the path. As you can see, C program data Blackmagic design, right? You can go here, come here, and see the users on your PC, program files. All these folders are stored on your hard disk, which you choose first to scan. I only have one hard disk, so it shows that hard disk to scan, as you can see. I'm taking up space in total 117 gigabytes. Right, if we come here, program files, we finished this one. Right, we have this one. You're gonna find it exactly like this on your PC. If you have this settings enabled, I will make another video about these two files. The first one will be called hyperfile.system or .sys. Here, Windows, that should be the Windows where Windows is installed on your hard disk. So I doesn't recommend you to delete any folders or files here. And program files, that's the biggest folder, sorry, on my PC. As you can see, I can view everything. For example, Steam. I play Steam games, so I have 69 gigabytes on the Steam. I can expand it and check everything. So yeah, I hope that app help you on your PC. Yeah, I hope you benefit from this video, and I catch you the next video. Thank you.